Hello everyone, you're welcome to chemistry class with us. So in preparation for the NECO Practical, which is fast approaching, so now we want to calculate the theoretical value to know the expected average titer value, and then from there we are going to do our titration and also solve questions that involves titration. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Then so we are giving sample A to be 2.70 centimeter cube of sulfuric acid, and our sample B is 4.0 gram of sodium hydroxide per dm cube. So first of all, we are going to get the expected volume of acid use. We use the formula CAVA over CB BB equals to NA over NB. And with this now, we don't know our CA, we don't know our CB, and this is what we are looking for. We don't know this, we don't know this. So first of all, let's get our NA and NB by doing what? By balancing the equation. So we have S2SO4 plus sodium hydroxide to give this and this. This equation is not balanced. We have 2 here and we have 2 here. So now we have gotten our NA and our NB. Then what's the next thing to do? We are going to calculate our CA. We will calculate our CA by using this. For that sulfuric acid S2SO4, the purity, the percentage purity is 98% and the gravity is 1.80. Then, so we are going to use this to calculate for the CA. So to calculate this, we are going to use the formula volume times percentage purity times gravity all over molar mass. So with this now, look at what we are going to have. Our volume is given as what? 2.70 times purity is what? 0.98 times what? Our gravity, which is what? 1.80. This purity, this 98%, I converted this 98 over 100. That's how I got 0.98. That's how I got 0.98. This one here. All over molar mass. The molar mass for H2SO4 is equal to 1 times 2 plus 32 plus 16 times 4, and that will give us 98. So our molar mass is equal to 98. Please use your calculator. 2.70 times 0.98 times 1.80. So with that, we just got our CA to be 0.0486 mole per dm cube. So we just got the molar concentration for A to be what? 0.048 mole per dm cube. Now we are going to get our CB. For our CB, we are going to solve using the formula. This CB is molar concentration. We use the formula mass concentration over molar mass. CB is equal to mass concentration over molar mass of sodium hydroxide. And we are given the mass concentration of sample B to be 4.0 gram. And then our mass conc is equal to 4.0 gram per dm cube. Our molar mass is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1, and that's giving us 40 gram per mole. So we just got this. So our Cb is equal to what? Our Cb is equal to 4.0 gram per dm cube all over 40 gram per mole, and that gives us 0.1 mole per dm cube. So we just got our Cb to be what? 0.1 mole per dm cube. Then these parts have gone. Then the next thing now, we are going to substitute our value. We have gotten this, we have this, then we are going to get this. So we are going to substitute our value. We now have, remember our formula, Ca Va over Cb Vb equal to Na over Nb. Now let's substitute the value. Our Ca is equal to this, 0.04 SS mole per dm cube. Our Cb is equal to 0.1 mole per dm cube. Our Na is 1, equal to 1. Our Nb is equal to 1. Nb is equal to 2. Our Va is unknown. Our Vb is equal to 25 centimeter cube. So now we are looking for this. We are going to make this Va the subject of the formula. So with that we have Va is equal to what? Cb Vb Na all over Ca Nb. So this is what we are going to have. Our Cb, let's substitute the value. Our Cb is what? 0.048 mole per dm cube times. Our Vb is what? 25 centimeter cube times. Our Na is 1 all over. Our Ca is what? 0.1 mole per dm cube. Then all over. Our Ca is what? 0.048 mole per dm cube times. Our Nb is what? Our Nb is 2. So mole per dm cube cancel mole per dm cube. Then use your calculator please. So at this point we have 0.1 times so we just got it to be 25.72 centimeter cube. Remember that your average titration value must be in 2 decimal places. So we just got our expected volume of party to be 25.72 centimeter cube. So your titration, when you do your titration, your value must be within this range. It must not be this particular one, but it should just be within this range. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel